Welcome friends, I'm really glad you're here. What we're going to do today is we're going to go through a typical day in shelter in place or stay at home during the Corona COVID-19 virus. So the first thing I'm going to do is strip the bed and get the sheets into the wash, and then I'm going to take a shower and we're going to head downstairs and just spend the day together. I'm cleaned up. I have the bed sheets in the laundry. I really desperately need a haircut and color. The roots are crazy, but I'm not going to do that yet. We're going to go downstairs and do feather dusting and run the vacuum cleaner and show you just what a day in quarantine looks like over here. So let's go. Phil did ask if I wanted his help, and I said no, I wanted to do this for a video, so he's just staying out of the way and cross-stitching, so don't give him any flack. He's not being lazy. He's doing as I asked him to do. And you guys, I'm still loving this new vacuum, vacuuming every day, and wait until you see how much stuff this gets up. It's gross.
Out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
How many of you are taking time to catch up on your to be read pile? I have books all over the house. You guys have seen that. I love my books and I love spending time reading. And Phil's doing this cross stitch and we're watching a movie on TV as well. Just enjoying some downtime, some relaxing time after we get some of the daily chores taken care of. I still can't get over that dog hair, you guys. It's just so nasty. All right, we're gonna start the bills. We're gonna do our weekly bills and see where we are. We put the deposits and all of that stuff in, so we'll show you some of it, but obviously not all of it. Have a shred pile over there. This is a bill. This is not a bill. This is a bill from my mom. This is not a bill. This is a bill. This is not a bill. This is a bill from my mom. And this is a bill. So these can go back in here. All right, we got the bills done and the sheets are washed. So Phil's gonna come up and we're gonna make this bed. This is a king size, what they call a split king. So it is adjustable beds. The top and the bottoms both raise, and they raise independently of each other, which is why it's called a split. If they stayed together, then it would just be a king size adjustable mattress. But since it's a split, each bed has its own individual fitted sheet, and then we have just the normal flat sheet and the normal blankets and comforters. So, but it can be challenging to make because, I mean, fitted sheets are never fun to put on anyway, but now you're reaching into the middle of the bed and trying to do two fitted sheets and they fight with each other. So I raised my bed all the way up to put the fitted sheet on it. Phil started to raise his and then he's like, I'm gonna wait because otherwise if we raise them at the same time, we still can't get to the middle of the bed to make the bed. So it's just this race to see who gets their bed highest first in order to see who puts the sheets on first. But he's gonna help me make this bed. So I don't normally do my laundry like this, but I have to tell you, it was way easier. I washed and dried all of the laundry and just threw it all on the bed. And once it was all done, Phil came up and we put it all on hangers, folded everything up and put it away. And it was much easier to do that together and to just do it once. It didn't seem nearly as annoying as trying to do it as it came out of the machines. And I don't really understand why that was. But I have to say, it was easier this way, at least for me. Let me know what you guys think.
We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be.